Hello friends, today I will discuss about CT wiring diagram for metering circuit in CRP panel. So in this diagram you can see the CT wiring diagram has been shown for the metering circuit. Here the CT ratio is 600 by 300 by 1. So there are two options of the CT ratio. Either you can select 300 by 1 of the CT ratio or you can select 600 by 1 of CT ratio. So there are three terminal in the CT secondary circuit, that is 1 is 1, 1 is 2 and 1 is 3. If we select 1 is 1 and 1 is 2, then CT ratio of 300 by 1 will be selected. And if we select 1 is 1 and 1 is 3 terminal, then CT ratio of 600 by 1 will be selected. So for the metering CT, the class is 0.2 and burden has been shown as 30 VA. And ISF, that is the instrument safety factor, is less than 5. Okay. So this is the red, yellow and blue phase CT, and CT secondary is connected towards the to the CT JB, that is the CT's junction box. So this diagram has been shown for the feeder, and power is flowing from the bus side towards the line side. So in the primary side, CT is connected with proper polarity, that is P1 is connected towards the bus side and P2 is connected towards the line side. Similarly, in the CT secondary side, CT sorting shall be done with proper convention, since power is flowing from the bus towards the line. So sorting shall be done towards the line side. Otherwise, there will be wrong reading in the exporting or importing of the power. So since the CT ratio is taken in the CRP panel as 600 by 1, so here 1 is 1 and 1 is the terminal of each phase is taken to the CT JB. So this is the CT JB connection. Here 6 terminal, that is for red phase, TB1 and TB3 is taken from 1 is 1 and 1 is 3 terminal of the CT secondary side. Similarly, for yellow phase, 1 is 1 and 1 is 3 is connected TB2 1 and TB2 3 number terminal, and for blue phase, TB3 1 and TB3 3 number terminal is connected from 1 is 1 and 1 is 3 of the CT secondary circuit. So from the CT JB, by means of the control and control cable, that is the 4-core cable, it is connected towards the TB in the CRP panel. So TB1, 1, 3, 5 and 7 number of terminal is connected from the CTJB to the CRP panel for red, yellow, blue and neutral respectively. And TB number TB1, 2, 4, 6 and 8 number of TB is provided for CT bypassing arrangement or CT sorting arrangement. So all these CT are the disconnecting type. So under normal condition, 1, 3, 5 and 7 number of TB will be through, and 2, 4, 6 and 8 number of TB will be remaining disconnected or delink. So these are provided for CT bypassing arrangement. Here the 2, 4 and 6 and 8 number of terminal are sorted together, and in the yard side 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 are sorted. So these are provided for the CT sorting arrangement. So if you want to bypass the current in the CRP panel for the red phase, then we have to through the link of TB1 to number of TB. So current will bypass via this path and coming back to neutral via S3 terminal of the red phase. So this is how the current is bypassed for red phase if we link the 2 number of TB and delink the 1 number of TB. Okay. Similarly for yellow phase, if you link the 4 number of TB and delink the 3 number of TB, the CT current for yellow phase will be bypassed via this path. Okay. So this is how the current will be bypassed. Okay. Similarly for blue phase, if we link the 6 number of TB and delink the 5 number of TB, the current will bypass via this path. Okay. So after that, the ammeter is connected in the CRP panel. So here the ferroling arrangement has been shown. So D11 is the connected in the input of the ammeter and D13 is connected from the output terminal for red phase. Similarly, for yellow phase, D31 and D33 is connected for input and output terminal for yellow phase ammeter. And similarly, for blue phase, D51 and 53 is connected for the input and output of the digital ammeter of the blue phase. So after that, we have megawatt transducer and megavar transducer. These are the transducer. Here the CT circuit and PT circuit is provided. So here the PT circuit is provided from the bus PT supply. So E111 and E131 and E151 are the red, yellow and blue phase respectively of the PT secondary circuit. And E171 is the neutral of the PT. So it is connected to the 2, 3, 5, 258 and 11 number of terminal of the transducer, and CT circuit 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7, 9 terminal is connected for the red, yellow and blue phase respectively. Here in the megawatt transducer, the input and output terminals shall be connected with proper polarity. So one number of terminal is connected for the input of the red phase and 3 number of terminals shall be connected for the output of the red phase. Otherwise, the polarity will be reversed for the red phase and there will be reading error in the megawatt meter. Similarly, for the yellow phase, 4 number of terminals is connected for the input of the CT secondary circuit for the Y phase and 6 number is connected for the output of the CT secondary for yellow phase. Similarly, input and output terminal for blue phase is 7 and 9. And from this input and output circuit, we have 2 number of 4 to 20 milliampere output circuit is there, that is 17 and 18 and 19 and 20. From this two output, 1 megawatt meter is connected. Okay. So after the megawatt transducer, megavar transducer is connected for the CT secondary wiring. So here the output of the megawatt transducer is D14, which is connected to the input of the megavar meter. So after the megavar meter, the CT is connected towards the TTB. So again for the megavar transducer, the CT is connected with proper polarity, that is 1, 4 and 7 number of terminals connected for the input of the CT secondary circuit for red, yellow and blue phase respectively, and 3, 5, 3, 6 and 9 number of terminal are the output for red, yellow and blue phase respectively. So again from the output of the megavar transducer, there is the 4 to 20 milliampere output terminal and digital megavar meter is connected. So these are the input for the PT secondary circuit for red, yellow and blue and neutral. So these are the TTB, that is the test terminal block. So here the CT connection for the TTB has been shown. Here the PT connection for the TTB has been shown. So after the TTB, we have trivector meter or energy meter. The TTB is provided to isolate the connection of the or trivector meter or energy meter. So under normal condition, in the TTB link, 1 and 2 number of terminal will be through. So there is a link between 1 and 2 number terminal for red phase. And again for yellow phase, there will be a link between 5 and 4 number of terminal. And for blue phase, there will be link between 7 and 8 number of terminal. So link between 2 and 3 will be disconnected for red phase, and link between 5 and 6 will be disconnected for yellow phase, and link between 8 and 9 will be disconnected for blue phase under normal condition. So this link between 2, 3, 5, 6 and 8 and 9 is provided for CT bypassing arrangement to the trivector meter. Okay. So here the CT sorting arrangement has been done in order to form the neutral of the CT, secondary circuit. So here you can see 3, 6 and 9 are sorted together to form the neutral, and this neutral is coming back to the TV number 7. Okay. So for example, we want to bypass the current in the trivector meter. Then we have to link the 2 and 3 number of terminal for red phase. Then this current will bypass via this path and the neutral. This current will not flow towards the trivector meter. Similarly, if you want to bypass the current for yellow phase, then we have to link the terminal between 5 and 6 number of terminal in TTB. Then this current will be bypassed via 5 and 6 and via neutral. It will not flow towards the trivector meter. Similarly, for blue phase, if we link the terminal number 8 and 9, then the current will be bypassed via this path and it will not flow towards the trivector meter. Here in the TTB terminal, R1, R2, Y1, Y2, B1, B2 and N1, N2 is provided for the linking or delinking of the PT circuit in the trivector meter. So there are option of the linking or delinking in this TTB for red, yellow and blue and neutral. So this is all about of the metering circuit of the CRP panel. Again, this digital red, yellow and blue phase ammeter and megawatt and megavar meter need auxiliary supply. So this diagram has been shown for the auxiliary supply for ammeter red, yellow, blue phase respectively, and also megawatt meter and megavar meter. So hope you understand the metering circuit of the CRP panel from the CTJB. So friends, if you like my video, then do subscribe my channel and also press bell button for notification of videos to be uploaded in future. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.